Now I will explain the concept of significant figures and how to do mathematical operation rounding off to correct significant figure. The significant figure refers to the number of significant digit in a measurement, the accuracy of measurement. Suppose we write a number as 10,000. Here only one digit is significant because that gives the value. This is only the power which I can write as 1 into 10 power 4. So the accuracy is up to only one point or one place. Therefore, the number of significant figure in this 10,000 is 1. Whether it is 40,000 or 60,000, the number of significant figure only will be 1. But suppose I write 40,000.0, then we are measuring up to this, because this you cannot write like 4 into 10 power 4. This you can write 4 into 10 power 4, right? This you cannot write because it is followed by the decimal point. Now the number of significant figure in this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of significant figure in this number is 6. Okay. Take a decimal number 0.0020. Then I can write this number as 0.20 into 10 power minus 2 because this is divided by 100. Then these zeros are called non-significant zeros. That is, they don't affect the significant figure. So the number of significant figure in this number is 2. That is only counting these two. So when you have full numbers, the zeros that follow the full number are insignificant because we are omitting this and writing only one significant figure. These are not counted. And for decimal numbers, the numbers before the non-zero number, that is 0.00, are omitted, whereas the 0 which comes after the non-zero number, that is this 0, is significant. So this is the rule you have to follow in determining the number of significant figure in a given value. Okay. Now let us see how to round off. What is the meaning of rounding off? So by some arithmetic operation, say we get a number like 26.436. I want accuracy only up to 2 decimal point. Then I am going to omit this value or I am going to round off. So this is the answer. Then answer rounded off to 2 decimal point. Suppose somebody tells you round off to 2 decimal point, what will you do? You have to see the decimal point we are going to omit, that is this number 6. 6 is greater than 5, therefore we round off this answer as 26.44. Suppose here instead of 6 we had 2, then 2 is less than 5. Now we round off the same as 26.43. So if the number you are using to round off is greater than 5, increase the previous digit by 1. If it is less than 5, don't increase, just omit this number. Okay. Suppose the number you want to omit happens to be 5. Then what will you do? It is neither more nor less. Then you should see this digit. If the number you are going to drop is 5, then see the previous digit and see whether it is an odd number or even number. Now in this case it is an odd number, so increase its value by 1, 26.44. Suppose it has been an even number, then 26.42. So if the number to be dropped is greater than 5, increase the previous number by 1. Less than 5, don't increase. equal to 5, you have to increase if it is an odd number and don't increase if it is an even number. Now, arithmetical operation. Suppose you are adding two numbers, then you must keep minimum decimal point in addition and subtraction. Suppose you are multiplying two numbers, we must keep minimum significant figure. So, we must round off. We must round off using this rule. When you are adding two numbers, we have to keep in the answer minimum number of decimal points. Suppose A has 2 decimal point and B has 3 decimal point. The answer A plus B must be rounded off to 2 decimal point. Suppose you are multiplying A and B. Suppose A has 3 significant figure and B has 5 significant figure. In the answer, you must keep only 3 significant figure.